I feel this is very fresh. First time a leader is not talking about Hindu, Muslim, and all of that bullshit. He's talking about things that actually matter. Women's safety, education, and how it feels to be in a country which does not like you. India does not like its women. India wants to suppress its women, and it has been happening since forever. India को मिल गई थी आज़ादी, women को नहीं मिली थी. It came with a lot of restrictions. I really like this program. Only one thing is that the students who are up there are pre-planned, which I didn't know. I am from Noida. I have come to Pune from Noida. I am a student in Pune. But इतने दूर से आके I was feeling कि शायद मुझे chance मिले, but वो मुझे नहीं मिला. I'm kind of sad about that. But rest, it was really nice. It was a really great event.
Honestly, we are very proud of him. Like I wasn't expecting an actual political person to stand up for us. So it's a very nice moment. We are very proud and happy with whatever they have arranged for us. कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा था. It was really crazy. बहुत मजा आया. सारे जहाँ पे जितने भी एक्सपीरियंसेस उन्होंने लिए बहुत रियल थे, बहुत रिलेटेबल थे. सबके लिए खड़े हुए बहुत अच्छा लगा. And I like the part जहाँ पे वो मोदी का वीडियो लगाया था. That was hilarious. Like एक मीम फेमस हुआ था, हिपोक्रेसी की एक सीमा होती है. That was so spot on. If he keeps up with this actual in favor of us students and actual people of India, I think he can be a really good leader.
So it is really very good that someone is speaking up for us, and with that, with the energy I saw today, everyone is really going out for themselves and showing up, and this is really great that we have seen. And also outside, when I was coming inside, I saw that all of the men standing there, they were supporting us and giving us a way to come inside, and it was so safe here this today, which is not like I hadn't imagined that would have happened, but it was really good. It felt safe, and it was really good listening to whatever I've listened today, and it will further help whatever the girls have said. It will also further help girls to unite whenever they are in public spaces and etc.
आपके क्या challenges हैं as a girl जो आपको face करने पड़ते हैं?
So one of the challenges, as they said, that like marriage, after marriage, do whatever you want to do, but also then we cannot do anything. That's a problem that we are facing.
मतलब शादी से पहले माँ बाप के हिसाब से रहो और शादी के बाद पति के.
Yeah, same. It is like that. And even about the clothes, like I have also faced one of the incidents of harassment. Even some of the relatives say to you that you shouldn't wear such clothes. I'm like, it is not my mistake that I'm wearing that, and because of that it's happening. So these are some of the issues that I face. Thank you for coming here, and I hope that one day, I know that you will be there for us. You will be our leader one day. But at that time, I hope that you will really give whatever you have said to us. You will fulfill that for us.